Specially deployed to sustain the rescue efforts at the Srisailam Left Bank Canal Tunnel in Telangana, rat miners managed to venture a significant distance into the site on Tuesday. However, one of the miners reported that they had to retreat after experts accompanying them detected a potential danger ahead. Take a look at this report to know more.
Rat miners brought in specially to aid the rescue effort at the Srisailam Left Bank Canal Tunnel in Telangana managed to enter the site up to a considerable distance on Tuesday. However, one of the rat miners who went inside said they had to return after experts accompanying them sensed danger ahead.
हम अंदर गए थे कल दोपहर को 12 बजे और 3 बजे 3:30 बजे हमने वहाँ पे काम स्टार्ट करा था और काम करते करते हमें वहाँ पे जो हमें दिक्कत आई थी, एक दिन पहले गए थे, हमें रस्सी की जरूरत पड़ रही थी, उसे लेके गए बांधते हुए। एनडीआरएफ वाले हमारे साथ थे और हम रस्सी बांधते बांधते पहुंचे और वहाँ पे टीबीएम का जो पीछे बैक फ्रंट है उस पर जाके हम खड़े हुए। वहाँ से और आगे को पूरा ब्लॉक जो लग रहा है वो लूज था, इस मारे हमने टॉर्च मार के देखा, वहाँ से रिंग भी गिरे। टीबीएम की जो मेन बैक फ्रंट है उससे 23 ब्लॉक है, उसमें 5-7 ऐसे हैं जो लूज है। उसकी वजह से हमारे जो एनडीआरएफ के जो इंचार्ज हैं उन्होंने हमसे बोला आप रिटर्न आ जाइए, चल रहे हैं, इससे ये खतरा है, यहाँ से थोड़ा दूर रहिए, तो हम वहाँ से रिटर्न आ गए।
8 personnel working on the project in the Nagar Kurnool district were trapped after a portion of the tunnel collapsed on the 22nd of February. According to officials, a team of experts comprising NDRF and SDRF personnel and rat miners was able to reach the end of the tunnel and return. Until now, rescue teams had only been able to reach up to 50 meters before the end of the tunnel due to accumulated muck and debris. However, the rat miner who was part of the team said they did not find anything.
ये चीज मैं नहीं कह सकता क्योंकि मेरे को जब मूवमेंट नहीं मिली तो मैं कुछ कह ही नहीं सकता। मेरे को वो मिलते जिंदा मिलते या जैसे भी हालत में मिलते हम लेके आते।
कोई देखा आपको अंदर आदमी?
नहीं सर, अभी दिखा ही नहीं है, दिखता तो हम वहीं पे उसी टाइम खोदना चालू कर देते। अब जब दिखा ही नहीं तो खोदते खास।
The rat miner also said they experienced a shortage of oxygen as they went deeper into the tunnel. He added that the continuous flow of water which emanated heat made conditions even more challenging.
ऑक्सीजन की यहाँ दिक्कत है, हमें ऑक्सीजन की दिक्कत और गर्मी, पसीना बहुत
Top experts from the Indian Army, Navy, NDRF, Geological Survey of India and other agencies are making relentless efforts to break through the collapsed tunnel despite the threat posed by silt and water flow. According to experts, it's one of the most complex and challenging tunnel rescue operations in the world, or at least in India, due to the fact that the SLBC tunnel has only one entry and exit point. The 8 personnel remained trapped for the 5th day as the accident occurred on the 22nd of February.